Good morning, guys. It is another fantastic morning. Day 11. Today is day 11, yeah. And so far, I've had about an hour of rain on my entire trip. Like, that shouldn't even be possible. It shouldn't happen. I don't mind it. It's just very unnatural. Let me bring my trusty can here. Okay, today I have a feeling it's going to be a warm, warm day. It is right now, let's see, 9 o'clock in the morning and it's already 24 degrees. Whew. Let's get out of here without taking a swim with a bike in the lake. Ah. Da, da, da. Alright, so we are currently in next to Snåsavatten. Now I'm heading further north on the E6, the main road that goes through Norway from south to north. But we are not continuing on that road very far. I think it's about an hour, and then we are heading west out towards the coast again, because we are riding Kystriksveien, the coastal road of northern Norway, because that is definitely more scenic. And today we are going to Vega, the island right outside of Brønnøysund that I told you about yesterday. So yeah, today is going to be a good day. I'm excited to finally be a full day on the road again. It seems like it's been a while. The last one was Tuesday actually, and today it's Saturday, so it's about time. Looks like they are putting on these marks on the road with the trucks over there. I've always wondered how they do that. I guess now I know. This is where we take a left to go towards the coastal road of Helgeland. It is so good to be back amongst some mountains again. It just makes everything better, doesn't it? In my opinion. As we travel further and further north now, there will be just more and more mountains and fjords and that kind of stuff again, but not in the same way as you find in southwest Norway. It's a little bit different. And in my opinion, this is some of the most beautiful places we have in Norway. I might be a little bit biased since I got a lot of family and stuff like that in this area, so I have just a lot of positive relations to this area in general, and I'm looking forward to show you guys. I think it's about time for a coffee. mountains! Yeah! Coming out towards the coast, the temperature suddenly dropped like 10 degrees and it's quite windy. And you can see there's like a wall of sea fog coming in here in the horizon. That's probably why it's so cold as well. Just hoping that it stays down here and doesn't follow us going up. Turns out the first ferry is already here, but I think it's boarding now. I'll just hope that I'll... Oh no, is it just leaving? Come on! Vega, so number 1 and 2. So the plan now is, firstly I am going back to the little farm that I used to spend my summers at. I'm gonna visit a relative that lived there. Then I'm going to spend the night at a small cottage that another relative is borrowing to me, so I'll be there by myself. It's very kind of him to lend me his place. So yeah, that's the plan for the evening. It's about 5 o'clock now, so I guess I'm gonna have to find some dinner eventually as well. But yeah, we'll take that as it comes. Although you have to do a little bit of planning when you're in smaller places like this, because usually the stores closes pretty early. I think these are actually open until 8 o'clock in the evening, which is, for smaller places, that's actually pretty late, believe it or not. On Sundays they are mostly closed all over Norway, except for a few stores of a certain size, and also gas stations are always open on Sundays as well. So that's some information for you. This has been a long time, you guys. Take a look at this paradise for a holiday as a kid. Alright, I'm gonna leave you right here while I'll go and say hello up here, and then I'll see you in a little while. And that was that. Always nice. Now let's see if we can find this little cottage that I will be spending the night at. I'm pretty sure it's this one on the right side. Oh, how nice is this? What a cool place. Huh. That is so cool. So cool. Ooh. And look at this weather. I can't. Let's go and explore this island a little bit. Let's see if we can find some nice little spots, shall we? I don't even bother to take off any of my luggage. It's really, it looks quite big and chunky, but it's actually not that much. So this is a pretty cool place. There's a pair of stairs going all the way to the top of this mountain here. I know it's I think it's about 2,000 steps on this stair, and it goes, yeah, you can see it kind of going up in the mountainside there. So pretty cool. We're not doing that this evening, but it's cool to have seen it. You can actually buy one step in this stair and name it after yourself or whatever you want, I guess. That's pretty cool. Whoop. There we go. Oh, how nice. Alright, turns out this one is even easier to turn around on the stand than my Tenere was. Boom, boom, boom. There we are, all turned around. Good evening, guys, and welcome to inside of this really cozy little cottage. It is that time of the day where we go through the route that I've been riding today. So let's take a look at the map. Alright, so last night I slept here, close to Snåsavatn. I continued on E6 all the way up here, and this is where I started my way towards Kystriksveien, or the coastal route that goes all the way around up here to Bodø. Slipping. Let's see. This is where I took the first ferry, and this is the second ferry. That was almost an hour long, and this is where I am right now on Vega. So yeah, the plan for tomorrow is taking the ferry that goes over here to Kjøtta, and then I will be going somewhere up here where my aunt and uncle actually have a cabin, so I will go and visit them, is the plan. The ferry doesn't leave until I think about 12 o'clock. I think there's only 2 or 3 ferries leaving the island tomorrow because it's Sunday, so there's less departures, but that's fine. I still have stuff that needs to be done. It is right now 20 minutes past midnight, just in case you don't believe me. There you can see. And this is how light it is outside. Still pretty foggy, but that's fine, especially when I need to sit inside and work. I just finished episode number 3 on the go. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. This will be number 10 or 11 or something like that. It's going surprisingly well, actually. Editing on the go, I probably said that a million times already. Yeah. After tomorrow, I still have 2 sisters that I want to visit in Fauske, that's further north. But after that, it's pretty much Lofoten, and then crossing over to Sweden and starting to make my way south, I think. We'll have to see. So far, it looks like the weather will hold off for a few more days. I've been super lucky so far. Yeah, it's been it's been a great day. It's really nice being here again. And I don't know if I can say this without triggering like the paid promotion thing. But this cottage is actually on Airbnb, so you can rent it. Maybe I'll leave a link in the description, so you can check it out if you want to. Alright, that's it for this day. And I hope I'll see you again in the next. Bye!